Hey, it's Rick Quattro here. If you've seen my video, Why Are My Hypertext Links Broken? You'll know what problem we have here when you have character property changes in a table of contents. And what happens is every time there's a character property change, the link is broken. So let's just illustrate this. If we press our Control-Alt key and we hover over these entries and press the mouse button, we'll see that these entries go all the way across. These links go all the way across right to the end of the paragraph. And this is what we want, especially in our PDF. We want these links to work no matter where the user clicks in the table of contents. Now, if we look at these paragraphs that have character property changes, for example, we have an italic right here, and if we hover over and press our key here, our mouse button rather, we see that we get a link here on Table Cleaner, but as we go across, these links are dead. We don't get any link. Same thing down here, we have the word removing, and then we have an italicized word custom, and our links are broken. So we want to solve this problem, and we have a free script that does that. So what you do is you install the script, and if you go up to the CP menu, you'll see Fix Generated List Links. And if we click that, what ends up happening is it actually duplicates that hypertext marker wherever there's a character property change. So essentially what we get is we get several links across the whole paragraph. And let's press our Control-Alt key. You see the little pointy finger. And then as we go across, you'll see that we have a link all the way across. Same thing down here, removing, custom, and then all the way to the rest of the paragraph. Now essentially it creates more than one link in Acrobat, but they're all live and they're going to go all the way across the entire paragraph. So that solves that problem. If you want this script, it's free. You can download it from my website, www.framexpert.com. All right, so let's look at the full version of this script. This adds a few features that are very handy. First of all, let's generate our table of contents and clear this out. So we'll clear out the results of the first run here. And you'll see again the problem is we only have one marker in each paragraph, and these hypertext links are going to be broken. So we can do this as we did before. We can run this, open up the table of contents, and run Fix Generated List Links, and it'll take care of it. But one of the advantages to the full version is if we close the table of contents and save it, we can actually run this from the book. So we can go to the CP menu and say Fix Generated List Links, and it'll fix any generated list in our book. We could have a list of figures, list of tables, TOC, and it'll fix all of them automatically. And you can see that it's done that, even though we didn't have this open. Now there's another feature. Let's update this and clear these out, and I'll show you the other feature that's very handy. So let's save this. And if we go up to the CP menu, you'll see we have a choice here, Fix Generated List Links on Book Update. And if we check that, that's just a checkbox menu. Now every time we update our book, this script will run automatically, so we don't even have to remember to run it. So let's go ahead and update the book. And again, this will work with TOCs, LOFs, LOTs, alphabetical paragraph lists, any kind of list that FrameMaker generates. So let's open this up. And you can see that it's automatically fixed it because we have that checked. We have the Fix Generated List Links on Book Update checked. You can buy this script from my website, www.framexpert.com. There's also a version that includes the source code.